it's Atharv Sharma this side, and today I will be surfing you through the Gram server and will be teaching you from scratch how to join and utilize the Golden Ratios Association of Mathematics Discord server. So first come here and join this server. Then you get this pop-up saying two options, that is read me first and go to a root. So these are the two main things which you have to do here. So first go to this readme here, then it will give you some steps. First you have to then verify yourself, then read these terms and conditions and agree to them. These are some emotes which you can use and have fun, and you submit it. Then you go to the rules channel and you read out all the rules which you have to always take care of. Further go to the welcome channel and you can see who all are there. Our mods are always welcoming people. They are very caring people. Then go to this tick mark. You will get access to all the channels. See, many channels are there segregated for help. Like there are voice channels, there are text channels, all of them. So you can see who is joining new. You can see what is happening right there. These are suggestions and poll. You can give out suggestions for the server because Gram is always willing to go better and better every day. Then you can get roles, like if you want to join channels of specifically maths, go react to this role and you will get all the channels of maths. If you want to join problem of the day physics, then go here. You will be added to PODT physics. So this helps you to identify a place or any channel particularly which you want to visit, and you can be a part of that. Further, you can also join high school, middle school, undergrad or graduation or above as per the course that you are pursuing in your school or college. Further, after this rules, partnership and collaboration, recently we collaborated with Nuance Trick, which is a awesome platform for physics lovers. Further, these are our YouTube posts. We recently did a webinar with Prashant Jain sir, also with Nitin sir, and many more. Further, we also get you in tune with the events that are happening, with the upcoming opportunities by Veni Bhaiya. Further, these are some of the advertisements, star boards. Now I'll be telling you what are the benefits of using Gram as such. Now when you come to this maths particular category, you can see Maths Olympiad problem of the day. Every day or every week our mods are posting some specific challenging problems. See, like this Samarium, who is our moderator, has created this problem. This is a 15-point problem, and you can solve it and send the solution particularly, so that there is a Maths Olympiad problem of the day solution leaderboard. Further, you can discuss about mathematics. It's an open platform. I've already told you about rules. There won't be any bullying, and also you can converse in English. That's a rule because we have participants from many countries. I myself have been a volunteer and I've seen many country participants in this server. Now college mathematics, then college mathematics 2. This is all types of mathematics. Then you go, same goes with physics. Very challenging problem. I myself tried it. Further, you have all the resources for this. Math, our experts have verified and checked all these resources and have added it right here. Further, these are some of the informatics resources. I myself refer reading these for sure for International Astronomy Olympiad. Then you can always discuss. Also, you can make a good friend circle right here and discuss many challenging problems together. These are some of the voice channels which have great use. Like, you can just mute or deafen yourself right here. You can just leave it. You can call people in voice channels and interact with them. You can do planning with them. All this. And trust me, no one can't bully you here. This is some jam hangouts for the different language launches. I have told you, you would be comfortable with every language right here. Hindi, Punjabi, Bengali, everything. Also, uh, these are some of the voice channels again, maths, physics, other resources and all this. Now, if you want any sort of help, these are our moderators and volunteers. You can just ping them. Like, this is Space Time. He has the role of Olympiad maths helper, so you can ping him. Like, this is Quid Bhaiya. You can ping him for maths and any help. So thank you. Please subscribe to our channel, and I will post the link of our Discord server in the description box. Thank you.